possible, and to help with our departure, all bags, smaller bags will need to be placed underneath the seat in front of you and
Even if you fly this often, please do pay attention while we take you through our safety briefing. After the briefing, the cabin lights will be dimmed and you'll find a reading light switch above you.
There's a life jacket under your seat, next to it, or in the legroom.
Take a moment to locate your nearest exit as the cabin crew points them out. It might be behind you. To remember your nearest exit, count the rows between you and that exit.
Hey fellas, how you going? Too far away?
Double shots, mate.
I think my last name.
Your aircraft has great coffee too. It also has escape slides, which the crew will operate in an emergency.
If you have to evacuate, leave all items behind. Slide, leaning forward with your hands
upright and your tray table is stuck. And if you missed anything, it's on your safety card. Or speak to a crew member.
We're about to prepare the cabin for our landing into Sydney, so please return to the seat allocated on your boarding pass. Please ensure your bags are stowed in the overhead lockers or under the seat in front of you. If your seat is in an emergency exit row, your bags must be placed into the overhead lockers. Laptop computers and other large devices must now be stowed away. Please now remove any devices from the seat back holder in front and place your seat, footrest and tray table back into their original positions. Finally, ensure your window shade is open and seatbelt is fastened. Thank you. Welcome to Sydney. The time is 8 minutes past 7 p.m. Please stay seated until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. If you can reach your mobile phone, you may switch off flight mode now. For leavings here in Sydney, your bags will be available at carousel number 4. And if you're continuing on an international flight this evening, please make your way to the International Transfer Lounge at gate 15. For Jetstar domestic flights, you will need to collect your bags, follow the signed walkways and make your way to terminal number 2. Look for the Qantas ground team if you need any help. Just a reminder, if you have the overhead locker, be aware the bags may have moved and could fall out, so please take care. Once the seatbelt sign is off, you'll be leaving by the forward left door. Before you do, please check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted while disembarking all throughout the terminal. Once again, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. On behalf of all of us here at Qantas and One World, thank you for choosing to fly with us. We do trust you enjoyed your flight down from Darwin. Look forward to seeing you again soon, and wish you all the best for the upcoming week here in Sydney. Good evening.